So first I'm going to boil the pasta. I'm using like the bowl pasta. And I just add butter and salt to my water and let it boil. Then I'm going to be using fresh broccoli, and I'm cutting it up myself because the frozen broccoli is just nothing but stems to me. So yeah, I'm just cutting up the broccoli right here. Next, I drained the pasta because it was ready. And then right here, I'm showing you how I'm going to steam the broccoli. Just add a little water and salt and let it steam. So this is the sauce. I'm just going to melt some butter. Then you add garlic to it to make basically garlic butter. Then I add the shrimp and cook it in that sauce. And also season your shrimp as well, however you want. Next, I add the heavy whipping cream and let that get hot. And these are the cheeses I'm adding. You can add any cheese you want. You can add just Parmesan if you want to, but I added all 3 of these, and that's how it looks. That's how you thicken it up. And I added everything together, and that's how it looks. So, shrimp and broccoli fettuccine Alfredo with bowl noodles, well, whatever they're called, and bread rolls that I got from Walmart. The best ones I ever had. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.